In today's video, I'll teach you how to enable Meta AI on Facebook. So generally Meta AI is already enabled for Facebook by default. So if you want to use it, what you have to do is open the Facebook Messenger. You can see over here Messenger has been opened. Through the Facebook Messenger, you'll be able to use the Meta AI. At top, you'll be able to see the search bar. You can simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to search, or you can also ask the Meta AI. You can simply enter the question over here. After you do that, tap on the send icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you're being able to use the Meta AI. Likewise, there is also another method of using it. For that, what you have to do is tap on the Meta AI icon that you can see at the bottom. It looks like the blue or purple circle. Now after you do that, the Meta AI will be opened and you'll be able to use it. So like this, you'll be able to use the Meta AI on the Facebook Messenger. So that is how you enable Meta AI on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.